Hello everyone, I'm Noah. Welcome back to my channel Easy Noah Zolai Le Mang Lai. Hi, đam kim tak mo ke thano henge Easy Noah Zolai Le Mang Lai channel le page panin hong mo ke ing. In this video you will learn zo pao. So if you're ready, let's get started. All right. So the first phrase, the first expression that I want you to teach is nang koya bai ding, nang koya bai ding. So this question means where are you going? Where are you going? Nang koya bai ding. And if you want to say faster, you can say nang ko bai ding. Nang ko bai ding. Koya becomes ko. That is faster and better, so we just say nang ko bai ding. All right. But if you say nang ko ya bai ding, it's okay. All right. And the next is when you ask nang ko bai ding, you are asking only one person. But if you want to ask more than one person, you can say or you can ask no ko bai ding. No ko bai ding. Nang is singular. For the plural, we use no. All right, no, no có bài điện, no có ya bài điện. All right. And then, for example, if you're going to the church, you can say biak in a bài điện, biak in a bài điện. It means I will go to the church. And if you will come over to your friend, you can say kalam kiang a bai pak ning, kalam kiang a bai pak ning. All right. Or kalam kiang by pak ding, it is okay. So by when you use by pak with pak, you mean that you won't be there for a long time. You will be there for only a few minutes. All right. And you shouldn't be stay too long because you said by pak. All right. But if you don't want to mention the duration that you will stay, you can just say kalam kianga bai ding, kalam kianga bai ning or kalam kianga ho pak ning. All right. It means that I will come over to my friend house, or I will go to my friend. All right. So that is all right. So what if you want to go to the library? How would you say? All right. Library bai ning, library bai ning or library bai pak ning. If you want to use dầu cầm mál, you can say lại buổi sáng. Okay, library is lại buổi sáng in dầu cầm. All right. So if you just want to go to the library just for a moment, you can say lại buổi sáng lá bai pak ning. All right. If you don't want to mention how long will you be there, you can say lại buổi sáng lá bai ning. All right. All right. So the next is let's say you are going to the market. So market is, we use the Burmese word which is z. All right. So if you're going to the market, you can say z bai ding, which means I will go to the market. All right. What if you want to go to the market not for a long time, you will just go and grab some food or something. I just want to have a quick glance. What will you say? How would you say? You can say Z bai pak ning, Z bai pak ning. All right. And so when somebody says that they will go somewhere, you can ask in Zokam nasot dia or nasot tam. They are basically the same. So nasot dia or nasot tam means that will you be there for a long time? All right. I think in English they don't usually ask like that, but because I don't I rarely heard like that. Like they ask somebody, "How long will you be there?" Or like So, but in Zombie culture, we ask "Nasot dia" or "Nasot tam." But if you wanna ask, you are asking not only one person. Let's say 3 or 4 people. How would you say? Nong sot udia. Alright? Nong sot udia. Or you can ask Nasot udia. Nasot udia. Alright? Udia. Alright? Nasot udia. No sot ding mo. No sot ding mo. No nong sot tam. No nong sot tam. Alright? There are different ways to ask. The next question is nong ja pa udia. Nong ja pa udia. Nong ja pa udia. So this question means that if you have done something that you will do, will you be back home? Will you come home instantly or right away? So yeah, that is the meaning of this question. Nong ja pa udia. So you can so if somebody asks that question, you can answer like this. Sót cây nung nghề, hong cha pa nung nghề. Sót cây nung nghề, hong cha pa nung nghề. Alright? So in these responses, there are 2 words that are the same, which are nung. Alright? Sót cây nung. Alright? Sót cây nung, hong cha pa nung nghề. Alright? The first sentence, sót cây nung, we won't be long. We won't stay for long. Alright? And the next phrase, the next sentence, hong cha pa nung nghề, we will come back right away. We will come back as soon as possible. Alright? And the next is sót khát thây tắc. Sót khát thây tắc, hong ra sa kiện nghề. Sót khát thây tắc, hong ra sa kiện nghề. Sót khát thây tắc means maybe we come home late, hong ra sa kiện nghề, which means I'll inform you, I'll keep you posted. Alright? Got it? Okay. And the next is hong ra sa kiện nghề. Hong ra sa kiện nghề, cái cai điện lệ. Alright? I will let you know if I will be late. I will let you know if I will be late. Alright. So hong ra sa kiện nghề, we use ning for a singular. So if you go out with your friends and your mom asks you, or if your siblings ask you, you can say hong ra sa kiện nung nghề. Alright, hong ra sa kiện nung nghề. So in a group, somebody can let the information know. Alright, so that's it. Alright, ning is for singular, nung is for plural. Hong ra sa kiện nung ấy cái cai điện vua lệ. Hong ra sa kiện nung ấy cái cai điện vua lệ. Alright, the next, let's go to the next. So Taylor, cái bookstore bài điện hi vàng. Taylor, bookstore, cái bookstore bài điện hi vàng. Taylor means I don't know, I have no idea. Cái bookstore bài điện hi vàng. I will go to the bookstore. So maybe you are going to a place first and then you will go to the bookstore. So you are not certain about how long will it take to come back home. So you say Taylor, cái bookstore bài điện hi vàng. Or you can say Taylor, cái lòm khát tọ cái mù điện hi vàng, which means I don't know, I will meet up with my friend. Alright? The next is nắng liền nổi kiang bài điện mò, which means will you go to Lian Nu's, maybe Lian Nu's house or apartment or whatever it is. Just this question is asking nắng liền nổi kiang bài điện mò, will you go to Lian Nu? If we translate this sentence directly, it means will you go to Lian Nu's, but it can also mean will you come over to Lianu's house or home or whatever. But if we translate this sentence, uh, it will be more it 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 will be better to translate will you go to Lianu's, all right? Lianu house, all right. So the next question that I want to teach you is no 来不使一擺定麼 no 來不使一擺定麼 so this question is plural, and if you want to ask only one person, how can you make this sentence into a singular question? All right, so you can answer 係ไป嗎寧係ไป嗎寧 which means yes, I will go. All right, so you can add a at the end of the sentence. For example, 係ไป嗎寧係係ไป嗎寧係 all right, that is better. And then the next is 係ไป定係ไป定 all right, yes, I will go, yes, I will go. All right, and the next expression is 係ไปซ้อมเปี้ยน係ไปซ้อมเปี้ยน which means yes, I'm thinking of going to the library. I'm thinking of going to the library. And then ไปซ้อมมะอิงไปซ้อมมะอิงไงไปซ้อมมะอิงไง yes, I'm going to the library, or yes, I planned to go to the library. All right, and then the next is ไปซ้อมครั้งไปซ้อมครั้ง or ไปซ้อมครั้งไง they are the same, they have the same meaning. ไปซ้อมครั้ง or ไปซ้อมครั้งไง which means I don't have any plans to go there, to go to the library. I won't go to the library. All right, and the next is ไปไหนกันนึงไปไหนกันนึง which means not now, not now. I won't go, not now, but which means I may go later. All right, so ไปไหนกันนึง kỹ nín, all right, we use kỹ nín ไปไหนกันนึง all right. And the last phrase that I want you to teach is I ไปซ้อมไหนครั้ง I ไปซ้อมไหนครั้ง I ไปซ้อมไหนครั้ง or ไปซ้อมไหนครั้ง or ไปซ้อมไหนครั้ง which means no, I'm not planning to go there right now. All right, so I don't have any plan to go there. I don't have a feeling for it. All right, so that's the meaning of this phrase. But I want you to know that I, all right, I, this is not good to use to the elder people, because this is like this word is this word is I can say is informal, and it's not nice to hear when somebody say I, because mostly people don't use it. And I just want you to know that what's the meaning of the word, so I add in this sentence. But it's okay not to use it, and it is better not to use it. And some people even said that I is for for the uneducated people. I don't know why they said that, but I can say that I is not a good response, because most people don't like it. Okay, that's it for today. In this video, you have learned how to ask somebody how long will you go there, or how long will you be there, or where are you going. And you also learn the responses. So I hope you can ask your Zomi friends, and if they ask you a question, I hope that you can also answer the question. And so that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Your comments really matters to me, because every time I see your comment, I love to read, and I feel like I have a fan. Okay, so tu ni hi video zolai lesson to kisai pen tu za Japan ni ma cái to zolai dong sen khop manin lungdam ing telo thailo oma le comment messenger azong kirong Facebook a hele messenger kirong thaya YouTube a hele comment pan kirong thaya and tu za Japan ni ma bye bye